Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're into professional aerial photography, FPV flying, or just want a powerful drone for fun, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS Professional Drone K11 Turbo. The K11 Turbo comes with an 8K dual cameras, a 3-axis gimbal, brushless motors, and up to 4 km image transmission over 5.8G. This drone is designed for professional aerial videography. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage, while the 8K resolution makes your videos crystal clear. It's also foldable and beginner-friendly with intelligent flight modes. Pros: 8K dual camera setup, stable 3-axis gimbal, long 4 km FPV range, foldable and portable. Cons: a slightly higher price compared to entry-level drones. Number 2. 2025 AE3 Pro MAX Drone. The AE3 Pro MAX features an 8K camera with 3-axis gimbal, 5G image transmission, and a compact foldable design. Perfect for travelers and hobbyists, the AE3 Pro MAX balances performance and portability. It captures sharp aerial shots, and thanks to brushless motors, it's quiet yet powerful. Pros: lightweight and foldable. 8K recording with gimbal stabilization. Great value for money. Cons: flight time could be longer. Number 3. KFPLAN KF100 MAX Drone. This drone includes an 8K professional camera, 3-axis gimbal, and an optional 360-degree obstacle avoidance. It also has a touchscreen FPV controller. The KF100 MAX is a solid choice for those who want professional features without breaking the bank. The touchscreen remote is a nice touch, giving it a more premium feel. Pros: 360-degree obstacle avoidance, high-quality 8K camera, touchscreen remote control. Cons: obstacle avoidance version costs extra. Number 4. Teeggi SG909 MAX Drone. The SG909 MAX comes with a 4K camera, 6 km range, touchscreen RC, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. Although it's not 8K like some others, this drone is still impressive. It offers long-range flights up to 6 km, making it excellent for exploring wide landscapes. Pros: long 6 km transmission, touchscreen remote, obstacle avoidance included. Cons: limited to 4K camera. Others offer 8K. Number 5. AE86 Pro MAX. The AE86 Pro MAX includes a 3-axis gimbal, 8K ESC dual cameras, brushless motors, and laser-based 360-degree obstacle avoidance. This is one of the most advanced drones in this list. The laser obstacle avoidance system gives it a huge edge for safe flying, while the 8K dual cameras ensure stunning video quality. Pros: laser 360-degree obstacle avoidance, dual 8K cameras, powerful brushless motors. Cons: premium model comes with a higher price tag. So, that's our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress in 2025. From budget-friendly options to high-end professional drones with 8K cameras and obstacle avoidance, there's something here for everyone. Links are in the description. Check them out for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product roundups and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!